For day 13, we talked about introducing or talking about Gemini AI. Yeah, a lot of people know Gemini to only create images, but that is not the only thing Gemini do or does. It also creates 8 seconds video, and if you have a subscription for Google One Studio, it is going to also it gives you credit for Gemini. Gemini is free, but it allows you create 7 8 seconds clips in a month. I told you AI is getting expensive, nothing is free, nothing is the way it used to be before. So today let's check out this Gemini AI. Okay, now let me take you to Play Store or Play App. When you come to Play App like this and you search Gemini AI, you are going to find it. This is Google Gemini. Okay, if you open it, install it, open it like this, create an account, this is the interface you are going to be seeing. You can use it to create images, you can create music, and you can let's click on this. Okay, let's take this one at a time. Let's click on this boost my day. It is saying round up some awesome news for today, suggest a healthy meal that feels like a treat. Okay, that means you can use it to do a whole lot of couple things that could make your life a little more better than it already is. Though this is not what we came here for today, but I just want to show you. Like I said, if you have an AI tool you use, you are going to see how it updates daily or maybe weekly. If it is a tool I use every day, I definitely know when that tool is not doing what it was doing. For example, I use Wix AI every day, every day until there was no Wix AI again. So before Wix started announcing that there will not be Wix AI again, that they are moving to Flow and all that, I saw the news. I saw the news months before they actually did it. And I was thinking, okay, when the video generation was not working, I was thinking, oh, the image generation will still be there. But when I was creating the video, in fact, I saw it today, like the next day I came back and it was not there again. That is how this AI tools work. In fact, that is how it is with life. If you are doing something, you're on an app or a site or a website or anything, you always see the changes, you always see the updates. So that depends on you. So to create a video with this, okay, let's click on, okay, the new thing I saw here is this create music. Let's click on it and see what it looks like. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, let's click on R&B romance. Let's say a music of two lost lovers. Okay, let's see what this is gonna give us, if it actually creates the music or it just creates the lyrics. So let's wait here and see. Okay, it's taking time. Let's come back when it has, when it is done. Okay, so here is the music. It says I've created your comic 90 R&B. Do you know the meaning of R&B? It means rhythm and blues. Okay, so let's click here and see. Okay, use music. Let's see. Okay, maybe there's nothing. Let's listen.
Oh girl, yeah, I'm lost in the sauce, can't find my way to you. Stuck here with this GPS drama, what's a brother to do? Oh, we're missing the signal, yeah. To Two hearts disconnected in the same hotel. Just missing the signal, girl. But my soul still knows you somewhere. Find my way back to you, girl. Oh, girl. Gotta find my way back to you, yeah.
Okay, that was cool. It's just at 1 second, and over here you can download it. Okay, you can download the track with the album act or download only the track. Let's see if you find this track on this video. Just know that YouTube did not strike the video because of the audio, so I allowed it. But if you don't hear the track from the video, just know that I had to replace it because of because of YouTube terms. So we can see that Gemini can also create music, okay, even though it is 30 seconds. Okay, let's start on another chart. Okay, let's see, and okay, write anything, create image. We already know that if we click on this place, we can see deep research, guided learning, and we can see the create video. So if you click on like create video, you are going to see a lot of templates, and you can also reference a picture and animate it. Okay, so let's do something like, okay, and I love advert video and advertisement video for a food shop. Okay, so that is just it. Let's hold on. It's create just 8 seconds, remember. Okay, so let's hold on. It's gonna generate it. And okay, I think that is everything I want to say for now.
The Right A, with artisanal sourdough and coffee made with care. Start your day the right A, with artisanal sourdough and coffee made with care.
Okay, that is the video. As you can see, there is a little error at the coffee when it was how do I say it, making the coffee, right? Okay, so the cup was hanging on the air, so you can also regenerate that. Okay, that is what I want to show you today. I've shown you that Gemini can create music for you, it can create your videos for you, and it can also like make your day a little more better than it already is. So I'm going to be referencing more videos that I created with Gemini. It is now left for you to do creative things with it, though you won't get much except you are on the paid version. I'll still download this video no matter how bad it is. I always download my videos. Okay, so let me take you to this place again. As you can see, this my picture is showing this 4 color. That is to tell you that I'm on the subscribed, I'm on the paid version of it. Yeah, so I was on the free version before I was on the paid version. So that is just how the Gemini work, and I'll put 2 or 3 more videos I created with this. So we just have to also hang in and hang around all these tools. Most of the time they give promo, most of the time the price comes down, most of the time they are giving a couple of things like that. So that is why a lot of people still hanging here. But every tool you see out there today was once totally free. That was when the creators were trying to see if people would like it, if people have anything they want to say about the app. So they made it free, gathered public opinion, and they knew, they research how to do better, how with all the feedback They knew how to like make it better and how to make the site, the app, the tool better, and they also know how much people could pay and how many customers they've got out there. So that is just it. I'll see you tomorrow on the next one. Bye bye.
Try the best party jollof.
This is absolutely delicious. It tastes just like home.
Make sure the feed rate matches what's on the diagram there. You're almost set.
To get that beautiful color and intense heat, we're adding a vibrant chili powder right into the simmering sauce. Stir it well,